picture. Here's a swing. Here's some rocks. It looks so beautiful today. I stink. There's some more rocks. Ooh, basketball. Here is, I don't even wanna. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Wee! I'm having so much fun. Okay, the last vlog I did was when I saw Transformers: The Rise of the Beasts at the movie theater. And that was Cinemark. And we would expect another movie theater vlog in July. We would expect one, but we do not know the dates. So okay, that's all. And I won't tell you the dates. Well, okay. It's time to say bye. Bye.